Quideo 3, mean and standard deviation advanced. So in this problem it says an insurance company estimates that it should make an annual profit of $150 on each homeowner's policy written, with a standard deviation of 6,000. So question A, part A, wants us to find the reason why there's a large standard deviation. So I said most losses will be zero or very small with few large numbers. For example, a house fire or a natural catastrophe. Part B wants us to find the mean and standard deviation of only two of these policies. So to find the mean, I did x1 plus x2, which each x is 150. So I did 150 plus 150, and I got $300 as the mean. So to find the standard deviation, I squared the standard deviation for each x, and then I square rooted it. So I got the square root of 72 million, which will be $8,485.28. Okay, for part C, it wants us to find the mean and standard deviation of 10,000 written policies. So it's just like part B, but instead of finding just two, you have to find 10,000. So basically what you're doing is taking x1 plus x2 plus x3 all the way up to x 10,000. So you can just, for a quicker way, you can do 10,000 multiplied by 150, because 150 is the x and you want to do it 10,000 times. So I got $1,500,000. Okay, so you would do the same as you did as part B to find the standard deviation. You take the standard deviation of each x and you square it and then square root it. So you're basically doing 6,000 squared multiplied by 10,000, and then you would square root that. So I got the square root of $360 million. Trillion dollars. Okay, and so then you would take the square root of that to find the actual standard deviation, and I got $600,000. Part D is asking if the company is likely to be profitable, and explain. I said since the expected value is $1,500,000 and the standard deviation is $600,000, the company is likely to make a profit if 10,000 policies are sold.